Let's create ocean animals from epoxy resin together. Start with Artline Crystal resin. Mix it slowly and thoroughly to get a clean, bubble-free base. Now add a blue liquid colorant. This will create that deep ocean tone. Add some silver glitter for a light shimmer. Mix everything well and carefully pour it into the molds. Add white pigment paste and mix it in. Pour it gently over the blue layer. Next, take red glitter and add small accents on top. Do the same with black glitter. This adds contrast and depth to the design. For the octopus and turtle, prepare clear resin and mix in gold glitter. Fill the molds carefully, that this will give them a warm, glowing finish. Use a heat gun to remove any bubbles. And here is the final result. Bright, detailed ocean creatures with depth, sparkle, and movement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more resin tutorials.